Hi guys, and in today's video we're gonna play with Wolf Gaming World.
Hey, it's Wolf Gaming World. I'm gonna be playing with Mr. Doge Roblox.
Hello. So, voting for distraction chapter.
Yeah, okay. So what are we gonna do?
So we're gonna do a challenge.
What kind?
So, if you win the challenge, then you get to pick the game for my next video.
Okay, and
But if I win the challenge, you're gonna have to choose. I'm gonna have to choose the game for your channel. Sorry.
okay. Oh God, no.
What?
Zizzy has a scratch in him.
I'm,
Wait.
I'm,
Wait.
what?
I'm Zizzy.
Uh-huh.
I don't even know this chapter. I haven't even played it yet. Oh God.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm probably dead because you actually know the chapter.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm dead because where do I go? Oh, where do I go? Where do I go?
Where
Dead.
are you? Maybe should I bring Crawler Boy?
Oh, don't.
Do you even know what you're doing right now? Wolf, do you even know what you're doing right now? I see you!
How can you see me like that?
Hee.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Crawly
Where is
Boy's
everything?
coming.
Crawler boy?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Hi!
Crawler boy.
Say goodbye.
What?
Okay, so it's 1-0.
So now I'm gonna be Piggy,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna try to get you. And if I get you, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna be 1-1.
And then I'm gonna pick a video for you.
Yeah. No. But whoever wins three of them, wins.
Okay. Let's not do distraction.
Okay.
Let's do a different one.
Oh, okay, so which one?
Sure, the cam's good.
I'm bad at camp on computer, so you might win this. Don't worry, I already picked you on the commands. Wait, never mind, oh my god!
You didn't pick player.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
Alright, let's do camp. What are you doing? Alright. People,
Sorry.
at this moment that he knew. Heat up. Sorry, I didn't say it.
Yeah.
Because you children out there.
Let's go find like a soldier bot and then I'll just die.
Alright, let's find someone. Yeah, won't they spawn under you?
Yeah, they like spawn somewhere.
Do you like my hair? It's very messy.
Yes. Let's just go to the piggy bot.
Right. Oh, here. There. It's so laggy.
Okay, now no more mistakes, okay?
Set me as Piggy and set player. Set me as Piggy again. Yeah. And then now set camp.
Set player.
Set camp. Set camp. Imagine it. Did player. I mean bot. When you spam player because you didn't know what to do.
Yes.
Right, can you put camp? Do camp.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Camp. Player.
Yes.
Player. What?
Finally, okay.
Gas.
I baked you a pie. Oh boy, what flavor? Pie.
Okay, fly. I'm gonna fly. Alright, I'm gonna spawn.
I baked you a pie. Oh boy, what flavor? Pie. Die potato die. Why? Uh-oh.
Oh, hi, oh boy. Oh boy, what flavor?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Actually, I'm not really that scared. Because I don't really play on computer, that's why I'm scared. There's the key I've been looking for. Uh-oh. No!
That's one for me.
Uh-oh. You want to do book one?
Sure, do you want to? Sure, let's do book one. Do you want to do carnival?
Oh,
It's so easy.
I know.
You want to do carnival for both of us?
Okay, but no camping.
Okay.
Going to intermission.
Okay, no camping.
No camping.
People will see something they've never seen before. Probably they haven't.
Okay, you're not in the intermission. Okay, there you go. Carnival.
I'm just kidding. I'm not even I'm not even videotaping right now. So guys can't see what I can do.
But you can see on my screen.
If you're close to me,
I'm the Piggy.
if you're close to me, little Johnny.
I'm the Piggy.
Johnny.
Let's see who wins.
Oh my God. You better be ready, Mr. P.
You mean Mr. Poop. I'm coming for you.
And he's coming back at me with his
baby powers.
Yes, his baby powers.
You know that I have every skin in Piggy now?
Oh, that sucks. Sucks to be you.
How dare you?
So that means you sent Robux.
No, I earned it.
You've been binge playing Piggy?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Z and Zuzi.
What flavor?
Pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie.
Oh my God,
You
die.
didn't even unlock anything. Why?
Because I'm gonna die. Oh boy, what flavor?
I actually don't see you.
No, I'm seriously gonna die. Did I bake you a pie?
Yeah, you did.
I baked you, boo.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Beef, beef, beef.
Guess who's coming? What? Oh my god. So is it 2-2?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You're gonna win.
It's
No.
2-2, little Johnny.
It's bad, really bad. Jump mode player. Set Piggy. Whoa. Okay, so this might be the last round because somebody's gonna win right now. So if I beat the map, then I win. But if you kill me, then you win, okay?
Okay.
And then I just pick bot again.
Oh boy, what flavor? Oh boy, what flavor?
Boy,
Human
boy, boy.
flesh.
You know, die potato, die!
Oh boy,
Why,
what
why,
flavor?
why?
Human flesh.
What? Wait a minute, what the?
Oh boy, what flavor? Human flesh.
Uh-oh. Roblox is a little laggy for me.
Whoa, whoa, it's not for me.
Are you serious?
What?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
What are you serious that you're serious?
What?
Are you serious that you serious?
Yes, I'm serious that I'm serious. Oh. Ooh. Looks like little Johnny has to be a little Johnny. Oh boy, what flavor? You know the flavor? Oh boy, it's flavor.
No!
Oh boy, it's flavor. Let's go.
Well, he won the challenge, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The next video is the game is going to be picked by him. I'll see you next time, but peace out, Doge fam. No!